In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Victoria's Secret. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head to Google. Now in the Google search bar, type in promo code for Victoria's Secret and then hit enter. Make sure to spell it correctly, and then once you've done that, you'll be taken to Google search results. So there's a few different third-party sites we can get coupons or promo codes. So we've got couponfollow.com, we got realtailmenot.com, joinhoney, coupons.com. So you can check out any one of these third-party sites to get promo codes, but one I like to use is couponfollow.com. So as it states, it's got 30% off Victoria's Secret coupon code here, and you can check out all the other promo and coupon codes as well. Now once you find one that you want to go with, so I'm going to show you this promo code here, so I'm going to click onto it, and now I need to copy that text in this field here and then paste that at the checkout section of Victoria's Secret's website, and then I should receive 30% off. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly as well, so be sure to check them out at later dates, and they do expire. So if one code expires or doesn't work, just move on to the next one or the next website.